and welcome back to Pabbly. So are you tired of replying to all your queries related to support in your business on WhatsApp manually? Then this video is definitely for you, because in this video I will teach you how you can create your customer support AI agent very easily using this amazing software, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So in this video, first of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. So this is my AI assistant, and towards this assistant, my first message is I need help. Okay, so I'm going to send this message. I will wait for the reply from this AI assistant to me, and you will see I've received the reply. Of course, I'm here to help. Okay. So now I have my first question, that is, do you sell accessories like handbags or wallets? So this is my first question I'm asking. I'll wait for the reply from this AI assistant now. I've received the reply. Yes, we do sell accessories, leather bag and leather wallet. Okay, with the price and other details. I have another question, that is, what is your return policy? Okay, so I've asked this another question from this bot. I will wait for the reply right here. And I've received the reply. Our written policy as follows. Eligibility, items must be unused and have the original tags. Return 15 days return to the delivery date. Okay, so now you can see the written process is also mentioned. I have my last question, that is, are there any kids party dresses available? So I'm going to ask my last question to this bot. And I've received the reply. Yes, we have lovely option for kids party dress. Party dress, you can see I've received all the details right here. Okay. So this is how this amazing support AI assistant is going to work in real time and reply to all the queries received on WhatsApp for your business. So now let us learn how you can easily create this amazing AI assistant for your business as well. On a new tab, simply browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And after browsing the website, you will see Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now, before we create this amazing AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now, Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In the space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. You'll find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, Pabbly Chatflow, on the landing page you will find two options. So if you're an existing user just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account from here. But if you're a new user, sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, I am going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you will land towards all Pabbly apps section where you will see all the applications. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button and you will land towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing tool through which you can easily and efficiently manage your WhatsApp conversations in your business. Over here, if you have to add your number, what you need to do is, you have to click on this Add WhatsApp Number button. You will find two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect, to add your number. Now, if you want to learn the tutorials of how you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account very easily, you will find the links of the tutorials in the description section below. Pabbly Chatflow provides with multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you will find the link of all the videos in the description section below. Okay. So now to create the AI assistant, go to this AI assistant section on the left side panel. After coming to AI assistant page, click on this Add AI assistant button and we have to name our AI assistant. For the name over here, I'm going to give it as AI Customer Support on WhatsApp. I will add this AI assistant from here. You can name your AI assistant according to your requirement. After naming the AI assistant, we have to complete certain sections to complete this AI assistant. And these sections are very easy. First is AI instructions. My instruction type is going to be AI agent. You can select another instruction type according to your requirement. According to the type, automatically the instructions, that is the roles and responsibilities of this AI assistant, is going to be mentioned over here. If you want to add some points according to your business requirements, you can definitely do that. Next is AI configuration. First is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being more focused replies from this AI assistant and 1 being very creative replies. I want the reply between them. So I'm going to select the range 0.5. Okay. For the AI to use, I'm going to use OpenAI model. I will be using GPT-4o Mini. Now it is asking for the API key. Now to have this API key, we have to log into our OpenAI account. We'll find the key from there. But before that, I want to tell you one thing. In order to create this AI assistant, you should have a paid account with OpenAI. In this video, I have a paid account with OpenAI, and only the paid account responses can be forwarded towards your leads, customers or clients on WhatsApp. Okay, so you should have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this amazing AI assistant. Okay, to have the key, go towards this hyperlink in the help desk and you will land towards OpenAI's API keys page. To create a new one, click on this create button. Over here for the name of the key, I'm going to give it as demo key right over here. Just for the test, I'm giving that. Default project is going to be the project. Permissions, give all the permissions. Create the key from here. Then simply you need to copy this key from here, paste over here in this field. Click on this connect button. This is how you create the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Chatflow. AI assistant settings. If you want header and footer message with all the messages, you can toggle the button on from here. Stop keywords. I'm going to toggle this button. So let's suppose this lead who have forwarded the query towards this WhatsApp bot. The leads wants to stop this assistant for replying. So they can simply enter the stop keyword. So let's suppose my stop keyword is stop. I'm going to enter the word, press the enter key to save it, and I can write as many keywords according to my requirement right here. Okay, so you can also enter as many keywords according to your requirement. Retry attempt. If you want that, toggle the button on. Fallback message. So let's suppose this API key is not responding. Any issue or any error might have been occurred. Then this fallback message is going to be forwarded only in the case when this API key is not working. Okay. Now after that, knowledge source. Knowledge source is a very crucial part of this entire AI assistant. Knowledge source is a document through which this AI is going to read and reply and know about your business. Now I have created this knowledge base that is going to help my assistant to know about what my business is, what all are the things, and through this document, this AI assistant is going to send all the replies. I have mentioned each and everything in brief in this document right here. You can see. Now this is a dummy document that I've created. You have to create a legit document of your business, and through that document itself, this AI is going to send all the replies. You can see it is a detailed document that I've created. You also have to create similar kind of a document. Explain what is your business, what are the policies, what are the things available. Explain each and everything in brief about your business in this document. Now we are going to upload this document over here. Click on this button. And over here, this is my knowledge base. I'm going to open it right here. As soon as you're going to do that, the file is going to be uploaded. You will find the file in this knowledge sources section. Okay, so let it upload for a minute, and you can see it says upload file, and this is the knowledge base I have. If you will see the vector ID, that means the document is uploaded. Okay, assistant interface and styling. These two sections are there if you want to use this AI assistant on your website. So let's suppose you have a website of your business and you're going to attach this AI assistant on your website, which you can do. Yes, you can do that. So over here with this assistant interface and styling, you can change the text as well as the color of this AI assistant according to your website. Okay. So now first of all, for the heading, let's suppose I want to change the brand name. My business name is Style Haven. You can see right over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply add my brand name, that is Style Haven. Okay. For the header display, you can see right over here. If you want to change this line, the initial message, if you want to add another initial message, you can do that. If you want this Power by Pabbly to be enabled or disabled, you can select it. If you want a hyperlink like this private policy, you can enter the text as well as the link. Now next is user's first message. So let's suppose instead of this initial message that has been forwarded by this AI assistant, a user sends a message towards this bot. Now that initial first message, the most common message, you have to enter it right here. Okay. Now the styling. Colors, backgrounds, pictures, shapes. You can change everything from this styling. Even you can change the theme of this AI assistant. I do not want any other changes, so I'm going to skip the part. This AI assistant is created. See how simple and easy it is to create this AI assistant. Now to activate this assistant, toggle this button on and save the AI assistant from here. If you want to add this AI assistant on website, how you can add it? Go to embedded. This is the script. Copy the script from here, paste it on your website code, and this AI assistant is going to be added on your website as well. Like you see on different multiple websites, you see a corner button where you will see the help, support help. Like this is going to be the button, and this is going to be the interface of the AI assistant. Okay. So now as this AI assistant is created, towards this assistant, let us send a message and check whether this AI assistant is automatically replying to my queries or not. So I will open my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, and now towards this bot, my first message is I need help. So I will write here I need help and send this message. As soon as I have done that, I will wait for the reply from this AI assistant. It says I'm here to help. My first question is, what materials are used in your products? Okay, so I want to know about this. So I'm going to send this question. I have received the reply. Here are some materials: cotton, denim, polyester, rayon, genuine leather and silk blend. Okay, I have another question, that is, do you have any current discounts or offers? I want to know about the discounts and offers. Yes, we have several current offers: seasonal discounts, newsletter offer, festive sales and loyal points. Okay, so now I have one last question, that is, what payment methods do you accept? Okay, so I forwarded this question, last question of mine. I will wait for the reply from this AI assistant right here. I have received the reply: credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, wallets and cash on delivery. Okay, so as this AI assistant is helping me right here, this means we have successfully created this AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills, simply through Pabbly Chatflow. Now here is a very important point that you need to keep in mind. Now, as you're going to create this AI assistant that is going to work not from the website point of view. If any user sends the message, this AI assistant should be automatically assigned towards that user. Now, for auto assigning, what you need to do is go to settings and inbox settings section right here. Coming to inbox settings, scroll down and you will find enable AI auto replies. It is going to enable the auto assigning. Toggle this button on. Contact list, if you want, you have created multiple other contact lists. You can select a specific contact list according to your requirement. I will select all contacts right here and assign the AI assistant and click on this save button. Now this AI assistant that is selected is automatically going to be assigned to all the contact list, okay, to the contact list that is selected. Okay, so now if you want to assign this AI assistant to a specific user, like I have multiple users, but now one specific user wants help and I want to auto assign the assistant to that user. Simply for that, go to inbox. Coming to inbox, go to the contacts. After coming to contacts right here, under the number you will see it says choose AI assistant. Toggle this button on, select the assistant right over here and click on the save button, and automatically this AI assistant has been assigned to this user right here. It says AI assistant enabled successfully. Okay, so now this AI assistant has now been successfully created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and this is how you can automate your WhatsApp conversations in your business for customer support. It was very easy, and if you have any other questions or doubts related to this AI assistant, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.